So yesterday we were making Hawaiian roast, and today we're taking that same beef and we're making delicious tacos. So I am using my favorite olive oil from Palmetto Olive Oil Company, and this is Cabrón Cosa. How would you say that? Cabrón Cosa?
I would say, yeah, Cabrón Cosa.
Cabrón Cosa, which is a higher polyphenol count, so it's okay for us to use it to saute. It's 1,000 units. That's very high, so it's safe to use to saute with. We're going to saute up some green peppers and onions. Already got my pan nice and hot. Maybe too hot, turn it down a little bit. If you know anything about me, you know how much I love tacos. I could eat them every day. I also found this cheese. This is an Irish cheddar cheese. I found this from Aldi, and it is pasture raised. The cows are pasture raised. We're just going to saute the onions and green peppers until they are tender. I like them to have a little bit of crunch left. In the oven I have my tortillas heating up. I try to buy sprouted corn tortillas. They are healthier for you. If I can't find them, then I at least try to find organic. Those are almost done, so I'm going to let those sit for a minute while I shred my beef. I love how it just falls apart. It's so tender. Again, I mentioned it yesterday, but Providence Farm, they're near me. They're in Anderson, South Carolina. Grass-raised cattle, only fed grass, and their beef is amazing. We have tried steak and roast and ground beef. Everything has been fabulous. I'm feeding Zach and Marcella, and I can't wait to hear how they like it.
I can't wait.
Turn these off because they are ready. Presentation is everything. Pretty little bowls. I am just going to do a quick saute in coconut oil. If you don't like the flavor of coconut oil, you can use sunflower oil, and that way you can, it's for the high heat, it won't smoke. High smoking point. Ooh, the oil is ready, and you simply just put it in, flip it over, done. So quick and easy, but it just gives it a little bit more flavor and makes them a lot easier to work with. I want to learn how to make tortillas. I can make flour tortillas, but I have not had good luck making corn tortillas. A work in progress. And then if you want your own tortilla chips, just leave them in a little longer and let them get nice and crispy, and they'll have good flavor. Warm up your rice from the night before. And if you buy block cheese, just so you know, if you keep your hands off it, it will last longer. The hands touching the cheese will cause it to mold faster. I prefer block because that way you don't have to worry about additives. And I really don't care for someone to color my cheese. All right, it's time to plate it up. Beef, sauteed onions and green peppers. Just layer it up. Rice on the bottom. My camera guys have
First day on the job.
And the beef. Okay, it's time for the peppers and onions. Should I take a bite?
Yeah.
Time for all this yummy goodness. It's perfect. The sweet and the spicy from the onion, and then the green pepper brings in that nice, what, I have no idea.
Earthiness.
But it's good. Okay, it's time for you guys to plate it up.
Oh, I can't wait.
Welcome, Salty Chef. Thank you for joining me. I really appreciate it.
It's good to be in the entire Healing
And
Kitchen.
I can't wait to hear your, what do they do when they go into a restaurant?
The critiques. Boom, baby. Taco Nation.
Mm.
Good, really good.
What flavors are you tasting?
like sweet and savory, but it's got the crunch.
That is
Onion.
the word I was looking for.
Onion.
Savory.
Mm-hmm.
So good, so good.
I really
10
like
out
it.
of 10. It's so good.
I want to thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.
Okay.